Chemical reaction and equation. The process in which new substances with new properties are formed from one or more substances is called chemical reaction. Chemical reaction in our daily life. If milk is left at room temperature, during summer it gets spoiled and curdling takes place. Grapes get fermented and smell like alcohol. Food gets digested in our body to form useful nutrients. Chemical reaction in lab. Burning of magnesium ribbon. When a magnesium ribbon is burnt in presence of oxygen, it burns with a dazzling white flame and white ash is obtained. This is magnesium oxide. Chemical reaction involves change in state, evolution of gas, change in color, change in temperature. Writing a chemical equation. Magnesium, when burnt in presence of oxygen, it produces magnesium oxide. So it is a verbal description of a chemical reaction. It can be written in the form of word equation as magnesium plus oxygen. It gives magnesium oxide. So the starting material are called as the reactant, while the final substance formed is called as the product. Reactants and products are separated by an arrow. Reactants are always written on the left hand side, while the product is written on the right hand side. Balancing a chemical equation. The law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass states that in a closed system, the mass of the reactant must be equal to the mass of the products for any given chemical reaction. It implies that atoms can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction, but are rearranged to form different substances. Fe plus H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2. So step 1, to balance a chemical equation, begin by enclosing each chemical formula between the boxes. Do not change anything inside the boxes while balancing the equation. Step 2, count the number of atoms of each element on both the sides of chemical equation. So Fe plus H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2. Now the element Fe, in the left hand side it has one atom on the reactant side, while on the right hand side the product it has 3 atoms. For hydrogen, the number of atoms in the reactant is 2, while on the product side is also 2. For oxygen, the number of atoms in the reactant is 1, while on the product it is 4. Step 3. Equalize the number of atoms of element which has maximum number by putting in front of it. So we have seen the maximum number is 4 on the right hand side. So atoms of oxygen, initially it has 1 in the H2O while 4 in Fe3O4. So we will balance it by multiplying in the reactant by 4. To equalize the number of atoms, we can put coefficient 4 as 4H2O in front of it. Now, number of oxygen atoms on both left hand side and right hand side are balanced. Number of oxygen atom on the left hand side is also 4, while on the right hand side is also 4. Step 4. Now balance the hydrogen atom. Atoms of hydrogen in the left hand side of the reactant is 8. While in the product it is 2. So to balance, we will multiply by 4 in the product side. To equalize the number of hydrogen atom, make the number of molecules of hydrogen as 4 on right hand side. Oxygen is 4 and hydrogen is 8. Step 5. Here iron is left unbalanced. To equalize Fe, we take 3 atoms of Fe on left hand side. So atoms of iron in the reactant side is 1, while on the product side it is 3. So to balance it, we will multiply by 3 on the reactant side. So the number of iron atom in the reactant side is 3, while on the product side is also 3. Now it is a balanced equation. Step 7. Count the number of atoms on both the sides to check whether the number is balanced on both the sides or not. This method of balancing is called heat and trail method. Step 8. Write the physical states of reactants and products. S represents solid, L is liquid, AQ is aqueous, G is gas. Step 9. Write necessary conditions of temperature, pressure, or catalyst on arrow above or below. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.